Talia Tariq and I'm going to argue that money can buy happiness. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to you all wonderful people. I'm going to object my sister Talia. I believe that money cannot buy true happiness. Money is power. Money gives you choices. Happiness is about comfort, security and fulfillment. And money makes all of this possible. With money, you can travel, experience luxury and take care of your loved ones. Can you deny that when you have money, you feel relaxed and stress-free? You are mistaken, my friend. Money can buy a bed, but not peaceful sleep. Money can buy entertainment, but not genuine joy. Money can buy medicine, but not health. Real happiness comes from love, relationships, and inner peace, not from the wealth in your pocket. But Taruba, money allows you to help others. If you have money, you can support the needy, build a better future, and live a life of dignity. How can you say money doesn't bring happiness when it is given to you the ability to change lives? Yes, money can help others, but tell me, what about the richest people in the world who are depressed, lonely, and unfulfilled? Happiness is found in simple moments. A child laughter, a family gathering, a deep conversation. These things have no price tag. Yes, it may be life without money. A person struggles for food, unable to afford basic needs. Financial stability is necessary for happiness. You cannot enjoy love, peace, or relationship if you are worried about survival. My dear friend, happiness is a state of mind, not a state of wealth. Have you ever seen a poor child playing in the rain with pure joy? Or a family laughing together despite their struggles? Happiness is found within, not from the number in a bank account. I admit what you are saying is whole truth, but can you convince me with something solid, something undeniable? Yes, let me remind you of a famous saying of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. True richness is not in having many possessions, but in being content with oneself. The greatest wealth is contentment, not money. If a person is never satisfied, no amount of wealth can bring happiness. I give up. I stop my debate here. Now you have mentioned the word of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. I am convinced wholeheartedly. Indeed, true happiness is not bought, it is bought within. I thank you for opening my eyes and I declare that you have won the debate. But my dear sister, this is not about victory or defeat. The one who acknowledges the truth is the real winner. Today you have proved yourself wise, not by arguing, but by understanding. And that makes you a victorious person in the eyes of knowledge and wisdom. Yes, Taruba, I agree with you. But let me also say that Islam doesn't forbid earning money. In fact, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said the best wealth is in the hand of a righteous person. So money itself is not evil. It depends on how we use it. Money is used to help others, to earn an honest livelihood, and to fulfill responsibilities. Then it is a blessing, not a curse. But if one believes that money alone brings happiness, then he is mistaken. Well said, my sister. Money should be in our hands, not in our hearts. True happiness comes from gratitude, kindness and contentment. And with this, my all dear friend, I consider this debate a lesson rather than a competition. May I have the honor of hugging a wise person? Absolutely, my dear sister.